Welcome to today's video, 10 quick and easy plant-based meals for busy days. If you're juggling a packed schedule but still want to stick to healthy, plant-based eating, you're in the right place. Eating plant-based doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. With a little creativity and simple ingredients, you can whip up meals in no time. Today, I'll share 10 easy and delicious plant-based meal ideas that are perfect for those busy days when time is limited. Breakfast ideas, smoothie power. Start your day with a smoothie packed with nutrients. Blend spinach, a ripe banana, almond milk, chia seeds, and a handful of frozen berries. It's refreshing, energizing, and ready in just minutes. Overnight oats. Prepare overnight oats the night before with rolled oats, plant-based milk, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Top with fresh berries, nuts, or a spoonful of almond butter for a filling and grab-and-go breakfast. Avocado toast upgrade. Avocado toast is a classic plant-based breakfast that's quick and satisfying. Use whole grain bread, mashed avocado, and sprinkle with nutritional yeast, red pepper flakes, and a dash of sea salt. Lunch on the fly Buddha bowl. Assemble a Buddha bowl using cooked quinoa, roasted chickpeas, steamed broccoli, and a creamy tahini dressing. This colorful bowl is rich in fiber and protein, keeping you full for hours. Hummus wrap. A whole grain tortilla filled with hummus, shredded carrots, spinach, and avocado slices makes for a delicious and portable lunch. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for extra flavor. Quick lentil soup. Use pre-cooked lentils, vegetable broth, canned tomatoes, and your favorite spices to create a hearty lentil soup in under 20 minutes. Perfect for a warm, comforting meal on a busy day. Snack-ready ideas. Guacamole and veggies. Whip up a quick batch of guacamole with avocados, lime juice, and garlic. Pair it with crunchy veggie sticks like carrots, celery, and bell peppers for a light and refreshing snack. Roasted sweet potatoes. Roast a batch of sweet potato wedges with olive oil, paprika, and cinnamon. They're versatile and can be enjoyed as a side dish, snack, or even part of a meal. Quick dinners. Speedy stir-fry. Toss frozen vegetables, tofu, and a splash of soy sauce in a hot pan. Serve over brown rice or noodles for a satisfying meal in minutes. Vegan pasta delight. Boil your favorite pasta, then toss it with marinara sauce, fresh spinach, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy, savory flavor. Dinner is ready in no time. Simple salad dinner. Mix a handful of leafy greens, canned beans, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Top with seeds or nuts for added crunch and nutrients. Sandwiches and wraps. Chickpea salad sandwich. Mash chickpeas with vegan mayo, mustard, and a pinch of salt. Spread on whole grain bread with lettuce and tomato for a protein-packed sandwich. Grilled veggie sandwich. Grill or sauté your favorite veggies like zucchini, mushrooms and peppers. Layer them on whole grain bread with hummus for a warm, hearty meal. One Pot Wonders vegetable curry. A quick one-pot curry with coconut milk, canned chickpeas, and frozen veggies is a lifesaver on busy days. Serve it with rice or naan for a complete meal. Hearty vegan chili. Combine black beans, kidney beans, canned tomatoes, and chili spices in a pot. Let it simmer for 15 minutes, and you've got a filling, flavorful dinner. Meal prep favorites. Batch cooked grains. Cook a large portion of quinoa or brown rice at the start of the week. Use it as the base for Buddha bowls, stir-fries, or quick salads. Pre-chopped veggies. Spend a little time prepping veggies like carrots, broccoli, and peppers. Store them in containers for quick use throughout the week. Bowls and mixes. Rice and bean bowl. Combine cooked rice, black beans, salsa, and a dollop of guacamole for a satisfying and budget-friendly meal. Tofu poke bowl, top-cooked rice with cubed tofu, cucumber slices, edamame, and a drizzle of soy sauce. Garnish with sesame seeds for extra flair. Lazy day options: vegan pizza night, use store-bought pizza dough, top it with marinara sauce, your favorite veggies, and a sprinkle of vegan cheese. Bake and enjoy a delicious meal with minimal effort. Cheesy toast, toast a slice of whole grain bread and top it with vegan cheese, nutritional yeast, and a sprinkle of dried oregano for a quick savory snack. Soups and comfort foods: tomato soup, heat a can of tomato soup and pair it with a slice of whole grain bread or a small salad for a cozy, satisfying meal. Miso soup, boil water, add miso paste, tofu cubes, and seaweed. It's light, nutritious, and perfect for a quick dinner. Sweet and savory combos: baked sweet potato wedges, slice sweet potatoes, season with olive oil and cinnamon, and bake until crispy. They're sweet, savory, and perfect for any time of day. Quick fruit salad, chop fresh fruits like apples, oranges and grapes, drizzle with lemon juice, and sprinkle with chia seeds for added nutrition. Time-saving hacks: pantry essentials, stock your pantry with staples like canned beans, frozen vegetables, and whole grains to create quick meals anytime. Pre-washed greens, use pre-washed greens to cut down on prep time and still enjoy fresh, nutrient-dense salads. Homemade sauces, prepare simple dressings and sauces in advance, like tahini or peanut sauce, to add flavor instantly to any dish. Benefits of plant-based meals: plant-based meals are loaded with nutrients, keeping you energized and satisfied throughout the day. These meals are versatile and customizable, allowing you to use whatever ingredients you have on hand. Cooking plant-based at home is cost-effective, time-saving, and ensures you're eating wholesome, nutritious food. Final thoughts: thanks for joining me today. These quick and easy plant-based meals are perfect for busy days and packed with flavor. Try them out and let me know your favorites in the comments below.